This bluebird outside the window has been trying to get through the glass for the past, 3 minutes. Dude, you can't get through the glass. Oh, you could. The feather popped up. It's angry. Dude, you can't get inside. You belong out there, and I belong in here for now. You can't get in. You hear that? What I thought. So yeah, that's what I've been dealing with for the past 3 minutes. This bird is still going at it. He's gone away for a few seconds, and then he's come back and kept trying to get at the flipping glass to get inside. What do you want so badly in here? Don't turn away! Answer me, motherfucker! Is it about... the other day, I went out to watch the stars at night, and I scared this bird on the porch by accident, and he freaked out. That couldn't have been the same bird. And even then, why would they be smart enough to hold a grudge over accidentally being scared? That bird hasn't given up. Went away for another few seconds, but I know he'll come back. He's like the Willie Mappin bird. He always comes back. And instead of being scary, it's just annoying. The bird's not giving up. Keeps going after me, looking for me in the window. It's like the Liam Neeson of birds. That bird will find me, and it'll try to kill me Hitchcock style, but it's not going to go very far. Unless it leads me off a cliff. Okay, so the bird is back again. He's been trying to get in for the entire time, and this time he's brought a friend. Now I know it's a boy, because boys tend to be more colorful than the girls, but... what do you guys want? I should have known you'd bring your friends. What is it with this blue-feathered John Wick? Bro, me scaring you, if it was because of the accidental scare, it was an accident. I didn't mean it. I'm sorry. Well, I don't want this getting repetitive, so I'll let you know when this ends. But it's been an hour of this bird just trying to get in non-stop. Well, like I said, I'll let you know how this thing ends in the description or a comment. There was something I wanted to announce in there anyways, so... Bye!